Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use bench players in NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in NBA Live Mobile on my phone. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is go ahead and start a match because the only way you can use bench players is by changing the player inside the match. So for example, I'm gonna click on this one and then click on play. And once you check the teams, go ahead and click on play again. And then you're gonna be right here in the loading phase. So just wait for the game to load. And then as you can see guys, now the game has started. So I'm gonna pass the ball like this. So once you're here, we need to wait for the quarter to finish, the first quarter. So I'm gonna pass the ball like this, try to score it. Oh, I failed. I need to take the ball again. So you can either block or guard if you are defending. I'm a little bit bad in this game. So basically guys, once the color has finished, just go ahead and click on scout, and from there you can choose any bench player if you want to use it. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.